I think I'm gonna go down this side right here, bro.
I'm gonna wait till it gets to the bottom. It looks pretty rough.
I'm gonna go down this other side.
How was it? Huh? Do what? What do you say?
I don't know. I'm going down the simple side though.
This side?
Yep.
Oh, you.
Maybe it wasn't so simple. Maybe that wasn't so simple.
That was easy.
Where you at?
Huh? Alright, hang on. We might come have to help you. That's what I thought, man.
Oh, there's some single track right there. What? What do you need me to do, homie?
Hold that part.
Gotcha.
We get neutral.
Well, these ruts are nutty.
What's that, bud? Dan, just hold it.
Yeah, I got you.
I don't want it to drop on you. That's the way I went last. It's all washed out. I didn't want to bring you guys down there. Look, we wouldn't have been able to.
You got this?
I think so. Is there a tree down over there too?
Yeah,
Can you just lift up that front fork?
I think so.
Okay. Thank you, bud.
You're welcome. This is that enduro shite.
I didn't want to do that. Really. If we kept going, I think it goes down.
Bro, it was sketchy coming down this one too.
And the washout ruts were
Bro, I was
sucking you in.
everything not to fall in those ruts coming down, dude.
Totally didn't want to do that to you guys. You went down that one?
No, the one over there.
Oh, good.
Yeah, the ruts are deeper though.
They're deep as crap, but we
That's because everyone's going that way. No one.
Look at that little dirt bike hook on to the right of that.
Yeah, I see that, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty tight.
This place badass.
Oh, this is awesome.
So we'll keep going. I believe there's another set of hills pretty far from here, but if you guys see the Moose Trail, I think I know where I'm going, but the Moose Trail's up this way.
Okay.
Been to the Redlands?
What?
The Redlands out here? Have y'all been to them?
What's it called?
The Redlands.
Ridland? Like?
Redland, like red.
Oh no.
No? I got a video of it on YouTube. There's a place out here somewhere called the Redland, or at least it used to be called that. And it's just a big giant clay bowl with short steep hill climbs on
Oh
it.
yeah, I know that. That's on the way back.
Okay.
We'll hit it. It's kind of cool. And there's a little island in the middle. There's like a little there's like trees in there. It's just kind of epic to go down in it. If you have a camera on, you'll be like, oh, it's fucking cool.
I got a video of it on YouTube.
But nobody really, there's nothing to do there. It's good to go through. If anyone gets ahead, just stop at each zone. That's all. Okay. I think this is their best single track zone. There's some roots and stuff.
Oh, great. I love roots.
Oh, there's a bunch of shit in here. So just do you think you can't get lost? Zone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I love hill climbs and tight trails. The roots are like my Achilles.
Welcome to the jungle. job, man. What do you think of that?
That's kind of gnarly. I've never really ridden single track that tight like that.
Yeah.
It's nice.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah?
You'll see a lot of that. Like, there's a lot of just...
Is that how the races are? Kind of like?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You're going to see more hard pack in sand.
But they're not often as wide as four-wheelers, right? The race?
In a sprint enduro, they got two different tracks you run.
Right.
One of them's gonna be like that. The other one's gonna be wide enough for four-wheelers.
Okay.
There'll be a wood section, and then it's going to be an open section.
Okay.
I like doing everything. Maybe not MX as much.
Right.
I like to do the single track to the double track.
I don't mind MX if it's just us, but if it's a full track, bro, fuck all that.
What changes if it's just us, though?
My anxiety level.
Oh, okay.
I get real nervous around a
I
bunch.
would rather ride with buddies too.
Yeah, especially coming up a face of a jump that you're not gonna hit. You keep looking behind you to see if somebody else is gonna land on you.
And they're fucking in it. You know what I mean? Like,
I bet you have. Yeah. that why you don't do the MX anymore?
No, no. I don't do MX because I keep crashing.
You ride good, dude. Shit.
That's part of it.
That is it? Is it? I don't know, man.
Yeah, look what happened to all the pros. They go down for a long time in there, you know?
See, I ride trails for 10 years, only broken one bone. I ride motocross for 1 year and knocked myself out.
I love trails, dude. Like, this shit here is my home. Like, I love this.
That's great.
Oh, yeah. This is fucking amazing. I'll be back next week, and then when you guys all want to come up, let's go.
This is, yeah, each section is about 1 mile to 2 miles, and it's just these zones.
We need to fucking rent a cabin for the week, dude.
It would be great to wake up and just take your time, cook some food, go out for a ride, come back. I've been meaning to do it, but they've just all been day rides.
Shit, between a couple dudes, it's not that expensive. You know what I mean?
No,
Like,
I know. $25, we could have an air conditioned.
yeah.
I mean, it was just down here a couple months ago, Walker, with some buddies, with the
Yeah, you stayed, didn't you?
Dirt Demons, yeah.
How much are you?
75 bucks a night.
$120 for 8-man with air conditioning, shower, heater, everything, you name it. Had a nice deck,
Damn.
plenty of parking.
That's like 15 bucks a pop, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, that'd be a great place just to come vacation out without even riding.
A lot of there's more things to do here, I guess. You know, this you can do with the kids.
I mean, it's cool you can rent a side-by-side and shit. I think that's cool. They're pricey, but it's cool.
I know, I paid $150 for this thing. That's just a rental.
I'm kind of thirsty.
Yeah, that's wild.
Do you
That
have
thing
water?
No.
Probably doesn't cost that much.
Okay, how about
We can finish up the trail, I'm just saying, after we
let's just hit all this and then head back.
Yeah.
All right. Dude, I got some. Nobody's been on this, so I'm getting all the cobwebs.
Appreciate
My
that, bro.
body, half my body is like, oh yeah, we're getting back into this.
Yeah, how you
Awesome.
feeling, pal?
Hey, I'm doing great.
You are doing great.
Half my body is sending up red flags like, hey, what are you doing?
Just do your ride. If you want to pass me, you can pass. If you want to fall back, you can do any of that stuff.
I don't know where I'm
I
going.
just keep up my pace so I don't crash.
I don't know where I'm going.
Because I crash all the time.
Oh, stump. This is 2, that's 3. Oh. I take it you're okay.
Yeah, okay. That's weird.